2018, new year, new bloopers.
Hey DIYers, today on Make Your Mark, and placing them on the vase to get the design that you, I can't talk! Different fantastic trims. I used a lot of trims. And we're using we are making a Dolly Parton, what? And leave deco art fit your Christmas. We're doing with into Fairfield world. A lot to say. Thrift store furniture. E6000 fabric. We are making over simple thrift store dresser with several Americana. Just one more time. That was a lot of blah 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 blah. I love this company. No. Make sure to pick up a copy, you little. Have a lot of marbles in the mouth. One more time. Okay, one more time. One more time. One more time. One more time. Wait, one more time. And we're using you. Now before I forget, no it. Every time I share a project, Ollie Fun Fabric from is secured into the valve body. Really? Make sure to turn your trash. I have completely lost what I was gonna say. It just went, if you're trying to find a little piece of furniture to fit into a particular spot in your house, blah, 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 blah. Make sure the roller is securely on. Get decorating. Hey, that was really just crazy. A new. Edit this part out.
Let me say that again.
Now before I forget, I want you thumbs up if you like this project. I want you to thumbs up. Okay, one more time. And leave me a comment. Make sure to just press that subscribe button. I forgot what it comes after that. With a cool, funky spray technique. Blank.
The rest of the video is just used. The end.
Standing right at the end. The end! I'll see you next week.